Well, thanks for coming back for the news now at 5:30. I'm Colin Mayfield.
And I'm Vanessa Rufus. Today is World Mental Health Day, and we know the pandemic really ramped up mental health concerns in folks of all ages, and the impacts remain.
As leaders continue seeking solutions on how to get people help, the new state budget includes hundreds of millions of dollars for mental health services. WCNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson shows us where some of this money is going here in the Queen City.
From higher paying jobs to expanding prevention care, the new state budget will bring new opportunities for mental health care in our region so that people won't have to suffer in silence. The mental health crisis has only worsened since the start of the COVID pandemic.
Mental health and anxiety issues in all of our populations are just really skyrocketing.
Now, the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services will receive $835 million for behavioral health services from the North Carolina budget. It includes a significant pay increase for mental health care workers, expansion of preventative care within primary care or schools, and providing alternatives to the emergency room.
We need to build a better, more therapeutic, less traumatizing crisis system.
Here in Charlotte, $200,000 is going towards The Relatives, a nonprofit that helps homeless children and youth.
Half of our kids have had a investigation with our Department of Social Services for abuse or neglect before they even come to us.
Trish Hobson is executive director of The Relatives. She says the kids they serve have a lot of mental health challenges. A big piece of what they do is help the kids address their past trauma, sometimes through counseling.
And they might meet for 45 minutes, they might meet for 15. It's just very flexible and fluid, which is exactly what the young adults need because they often have been in and out of a lot of systems and they don't trust necessarily that they're going to get the help they need.
Getting the help they need critical as mental health challenges continue to impact our community.
That really is the biggest component of helping them be successful, is to help them be able to address their own emotions, be able to be in control of them so that they can sustain their jobs, their housing, their school, all of it.
The Relatives helps serve a couple thousand kids in our community every single year through their resource center as well as their shelter. Now, health experts say this new money won't just help with treatment, it'll help preserve wellness too. Reporting in Uptown for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.